Are you a musician or DJ? If you are, then you probably get hired to play gigs. If you've ever had a gig, you've probably experienced the frustration of trying to keep track of all the gig details going back and forth between you, your band members, and your customers, or the pain involved with getting a yes or no from your band members. What about the headache of keeping track of your songs, sets, gigs, and your earnings when you play in various bands? When, where, and what are you playing? And last but not least, the torture of saying no to a legit gig because you are already booked for something else. Well, what if you could exchange that gig with a better one? Or what if all your gig details were right there in your phone so that you could get to them whenever you needed them? Get a Gig is an app that does exactly that. When you enter your gig details into the app, all your band members will get all the info instantly. Your band's webpage will be updated automatically. After the gig is over, you can even type in whether or not you made money from the gig and how much you made. That way, all the financial information you need at tax time is in one place, and you only have to click one button to print a report on it. We already have most of the app designed, and we just need to start developing it, but we need your help to get started. If you like the idea of Get a Gig and want the app for your band or DJ business, you'll be able to give us your input on what features we should put in the app. Best of all, as soon as it hits the App Store, you get your version for free. So, please share this video with your friends. On behalf of all musicians and DJs everywhere, our development team thanks you.